This is the notes for section 3.1 still for zeros or y-intercept, x-intercept. This is a little bit different than what we did last time with the tables. On here, what we're still looking for is the x-intercept. And when you have the x-intercept, you're looking, your y value is 0. So it looks like this. And that means that you have 2x plus 0 is equal to 4, and you're looking for an x to make it an x-intercept. 2x plus 0 is equal to 4 is just 2x. Then you divide by 2. X is equal to 2, making your point 2, because that's your x value, and 0, that point of on the x-axis, to be the x-intercept. For the y-intercept, you have the x is equal to 0, and you're solving for a y. So for this one, it would be 2 times 0, because that has to be the value of x, plus y, because you're looking for a y-intercept, is equal to 4. 2 times 0 is 0, plus y is equal to 4. So you don't need to have that 0 on there. Y is equal to 4. Making that point of intersection, the 0 for the x and 4 for the y on the y-axis. Let's try that again. We're looking for the y-intercept on this side, the x-intercept, so the y is 0. Remember, when you solve for x, that's an x-intercept. So 3x and negative 2 times 0 is 0. And so you don't need to write that. 3x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 2. That means that the x-intercept crosses the x-axis at 2, and since it doesn't move up or down, the y was 0. Okay, so for this one, we're looking for the y-intercept. That means our x value has to be 0. 3 times 0 is 0. And then you have 0 that you don't need to write, negative 2. So don't forget to keep that sign in front of your number. That's equal to 6 divided by negative 2. Y is equal to negative 3. Don't forget, it's a point that you're looking for. So this is 0 because it crosses the y-axis at negative 3. I'm only going to do this side of this foldable. Well, let's do just the top two. And we need to fill in this. Remember, one time x is 0, one time y is 0. And we're looking for the y-intercept when we say that the x is 0. So that would be 0 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus y, sorry. Got ahead of myself. Y is equal to 3, because we put the 0 for the x. Y is equal to 3, so that means that's the order pair. To plot the point, you say 0 on the x and 3 on the y. Then for the other one, you have, you're looking for the x-intercept since your y is 0. That means x is equal to 3, because you don't need to write the plus 0. 1, 2, 3 on the x, and now movement on the y. And you can, don't forget that for lines, I would like them to go past the graph. Make arrowheads at the end. Okay. On this one, we still have one time that the x is 0, one time that the y is 0. For the x being 0, and 3 times 0 is 0, plus y is equal to 3. We don't need to write the plus 0, so y is equal to 3. And then for the the y being 0, we have 3x plus 0 is equal to 3. I don't need a 0, so we have 3x is equal to 3. Divide by 3 to both sides. X is equal to 1. Then we can plot the points. 0 on the x, 3 is a y-intercept. 1 on the x and then 0 is an x-intercept. Remember to go past the graph and put arrowheads at the end. I think that that's enough to show you how to do this problem. Please let me know if you need any more help.